This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I've got another video for you today about emotional intelligence, the great business differentiator. We're going to talk again today about skill number 4, relationship management. Have you noticed that pressure and stress bring out the worst in us? Frankly, when we're pressured, we make bad choices. When we make bad choices, we might do something inappropriate or unprofessional. We damage our brand. Don't let that be you. Do the right thing. Make the right choices. Contact us at Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. Just send us an email at info@michaelbeachcoach.com. We'll get you hooked up with a really fantastic book about emotional intelligence, get you a series of emotional intelligence tests, and we'll build a customized emotional intelligence growth plan for you that's likely to improve your EQ by 10 or 12 points in 6 months' time. Hope to talk to you about it sometime soon. See you next time.